Now today we are going to continue on our second tutorial. We are going to look at authentication. Authentication is necessary when making these API calls. You need to authenticate your API calls in order that people may not make unauthorized API calls, in that somebody may not ask people to pay money without the permission of the customer. Authentication is usually very important. So in the larger platform, there's something that we call access token. Okay, okay, okay. Let me explain first before I go there. So as you can see, there's something that we call authentication. Authentication generative access token. So after creating your application, let me go to the application that we've created. It is this one. Now let's click on the application. You can see this application contains the key, the customer key, consumer key, and the consumer secret. So this consumer key is the one that can be made public, but the consumer secret should never be made public. In fact, after this tutorial, I'm going to delete this application, so that nobody can unauthorizedly use it. So to continue, let's start and do some authentication. To do authentication, let's go to the APIs. You do performing authentication is just performing a task, so it's an API call. So there are two methods. First, I'll be explaining this concept using the platform, and after this we will now be creating an application using PHP and integrating this authentication in our platform. But for now, I'm just bear with me and see. So if you are using for the first time, this one will be empty. Okay, let me just remove something. So let me remove it just for the sake of you. Okay, it will be empty like this. So you come to the application, you copy the consumer key, then you paste here. Then you come, you copy the consumer secret, then you paste here. Then you save. Okay. Now, using these keys, you can generate something like that is called an access token. It's something that allows you. It's something like a key that allows you to authenticate your calls, your processes. Now these keys will allow you to it will generate this key that allows you to perform the processes that are required. Now let's send this request. We have been given this key. Now this key lasts for 1 hour. So for today, we will stop. We have generated an access token. An access token is just a key that allows you to generate access token to access other APIs here. Okay, I think that's better explanation. The simple explanation of an access token is a key that allows you to perform other API calls. It's something like it's a password that allows you to do a certain operation. Thank you.